Okay guys, so after we identify the project diagram, then we will know the critical parts and the critical activities for identify which activities that we will use to be crash. Okay, so here you can see the activities that allow to crash is A, B, D and G. Okay, so here we highlight with the red colors. Okay, and for activity C, E and F, we just ignore. Okay, here. Okay, alright, so we only focus with the red highlighted activities, which is A, B, D, G. Okay, so the question is, reduce the project completion time by 3 weeks and calculate the new project cost. Okay, so we need to reduce the project completion time by 3 weeks. So the completion time, as you have calculated before, is 20 weeks. And now you need to have the new completion time by reduced by 3 weeks, which is 22 weeks. Okay, so which activities that we need to crash is according to the critical activities. Okay, so the first step that you need to know is you need to choose the least cost among the critical activities. So here, if you can see, the minimum cost between these 4 activities is activity D, with the cost per time equal to 1,000. So you need to insert the new row here, which is allow crash time. So you need to state first how long the time is allowed to crash. So how to get the time value is by minus normal time minus crash time. So you will get 2. Okay, so this is the calculation. Same goes to the B and D and G. So I've stated the allow time to crash for each activities, only for the critical activities. So for D, the time that allowed to be crashed is 1 only. Okay, so we choose D because of the minimum cost time. Okay, so this is the crash activity by 1 week. Okay, and then the cost is 1,000. The calculation is 1 week times 1,000. Okay, now we need to crash another 2 weeks because we only crash 1 week. Okay, so here we can dash. Okay, now we just ignore activity D because we have no allowed time to be crashed. Now we see the second activities that have the minimum cost to crash. Okay, here we can see that the next minimum activity is B and G. So which one you need to choose? Okay, if you can see here, as a rule, you need to compare the allowed time between these two. Okay, so usually we will take the minimum allowed crash time, which is activity G. Okay, so we choose activity G with the time that allowed to crash is 1. So same goes to activity D. 1 week, the activity will crash with the cost is 2,000 and the calculation is 1 week times 2,000. Okay, now you still left 1 week to crash. Okay, so definitely we will take activity B because the minimum cost per time compared to activity A. So here the allowable crash time is 3. So we just need 1 week more. Okay, so no need to crash all the 3, just crash 1 week. So 1 week only with the cost is 2,000 and the calculation is 1 week times times 2,000. Okay, all right. So here we have crashed into 3 weeks as requested by the question. Okay, so now you need to calculate the new project cost. How to get the total project cost? This is the formula. So the total project, you need to know the total for the normal cost plus with the total crashing cost. So you need to get the total normal cost here. Okay. Sum above. Okay. And total crashing cost here. Okay. All right. So as you can see, the normal cost is 44,000 and the crashing cost is 5,000. Okay, so the total project cost is here. Okay, the total project cost equal to 44,000 plus 5,000 equal to 49,000. So I state again properly with the RM, 49,000. Alright, so this is the total project cost. Okay, so this is the total project cost for this project. Right, that's all.